Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the transgender meaning and definition. See, transgender we had in our previous video we had already talked about the third sex pupils or the third gender. So third gender के अंदर ही it is a type, subtype है that is a transgender. So transgender who are identified and behave as the opposite sex. अब what does it means actually? So transgender people are the people who identify, act or feel different from the sex they were assigned at birth. That means they are assigned their sex during after birth, but they themselves feel that they did not belong to that particular sex. उनको लगता है कि उनको किसी और की बॉडी में एक्चुअल में फिट कर दिया गया है. सो ट्रांसजेंडर जो है इट इज अ अम्ब्रेला टर्म दैट डिस्क्राइब पीपल whose gender identity or expression does not match the sex they were assigned at birth. अब what we can say कि transgender person may be identified as a woman despite having been born with the male sex organ. अब मे बी कोई मेल है वो मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन के साथ बर्थ लिया है, बट उसकी जो लाइकिंग है या उसको जो चीज़ पसंद है दैट कुड बी वो फीमेल ओरिएंटेड होता है. तो मे बी जो चीज़ हमने जेंडर स्पेसिफाई कर रखी है हमारी सोसाइटी ने, सो अगर वो उस चीज़ को फॉलो नहीं करता है सो दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद दैट पर्सन. बट एक्चुअली में ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट्स जस्ट देयर जेंडर आइडेंटिटी दैट व्हाट दे वांट. We can say it is having an internal sense of one's gender that is different from the gender one was assigned at birth. So in most of the cases the sex of a child which we determine at the time of a birth is correct, but there are some people who do not feel the same sex which had been assigned to them. It is not their choice to be a person of the opposite sex. It is their strong feeling or a natural instinct. मतलब they had a that kind of a gut feeling they are having कि उनको किसी और की बॉडी में डाल दिया गया है. अगर वो मेल के साथ एज अ मेल पैदा हुए हैं तो दे थिंक कि उन्हें फीमेल होना चाहिए था, और अगर वो फीमेल की तरह है तो मे भी उन्हें लग रहा होगा कि उन्हें मेल होना चाहिए था. एंड ड्यू टू दिस देयर आर द एन नंबर ऑफ द सर्जरीज ऑल्सो होती है, सो दैट वो अपनी इंस्टिंक्ट जो वो चाहते हैं, जो आइडेंटिटी जेंडर आइडेंटिटी चाहते हैं, सो वो उसको चेंज कर लेते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर विल. It means that the sex of a person cannot be decided or judged only by seeing genitals. There are some exceptions as well. We can say that there are exceptions. So these are the exceptions from our normal society. There are some problems which which are related to the transgender as well. Like transgender people are not accepted in every society. मतलब we are not ready to accept them. They suffer discrimination, violence, even murders. So transgender people have fought for and have gained many rights and protection in some societies. But in many places the fight for a transgender right is associated with the fight for a gay and bisexual rights. So together these groups are sometimes described as LGBT. It could be a lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. Some transgender people do not want to be a part of this community. All have their own problems. Many gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender people try to work together to solve all these problems. मतलब it is their perception whether they want to show their identity to all of you or they want to hide that identity. But due to this there are the n number of the problems which occurs in them, like a mental health. Transgender people are not mentally balanced because they found anxiety or a depression, because people are discriminating them from the society. So due to that उनको because they want a security and respect like a normal person. So जब उनको वो नहीं मिलता है so they उन लोगों को depression हो जाता है and they actually feel low. Second could be a medical care. Transgender people who wish to take medicine and have surgery to change their body face several problems arises, and doctors are not willing to help them to change. The surgery is very costly, the first disadvantage, and they are not able to afford the expenditure. Everyone is not able to afford that kind of the expenditure which is required for that surgery. So people प्रॉपर मेडिकल केयर भी हमें प्रोवाइड करनी चाहिए, जो कि गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, बट एक्चुअल में ये कहीं पर होता है कहीं पर नहीं होता. Third one is a medical disease label. Transgender people do not like being labeled as having a disease or a gender identity disorder. They don't want कि उनको कोई label करे. The government had labeled being transgender as a disease. मतलब we are not considering them at a equal pace. तो हमने उन्हें जगह दी है, बट स्टिल उनको थोड़ा सा अलग मानते हैं मेल और फीमेल से, जो कि नॉर्मल पीपल होते हैं. सो सम पीपल आर एक्चुअली टेकन एज डिजीज ऑल्सो. दे कैन ओनली गेट मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट पेड फॉर बाय द गवर्नमेंट इफ इट इज अ ट्रीट अ डिजीज, मतलब अगर हम उसे एज अ डिजीज शो करते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट आपकी हेल्प करेगी, अदरवाइज वो नहीं करेगी. सो if it is not considered as a disease, they will not get the medicine or the surgery they need. So proper law are needed to protect transgender people with this type of a disease or the disability. So we can say कि अच्छे से इतना ज़्यादा implement नहीं हो पाती है चीज़ें and time लगता है. The fourth problem is the legal problem, and legal problem is basically having a problem with the law and the regulation about sex. After surgery, there is a difficulty in changing the name, other identity document of a transgender like a birth certificate, driving license. अब उन्होंने सेक्स तो चेंज कर लिया है. द प्रॉब्लम इज कि उन्हें अपना जितने भी उनके लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं उनमें नाम भी चेंज कराना होगा, अपना जेंडर भी चेंज कराना होगा, जिसके लिए बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स उनको फेस करनी पड़ती है.